Compare data formats: XML, JSON, and YAML. These are the primary ways applications structure and exchange information. Think of them like three different writing systems: one formal like Latin, one simple like English, and one lightweight like shorthand. At their core, they let systems communicate clearly, just like people using agreed-upon grammar and style rules. XML is like a legal contract, verbose, strict, and well-suited for highly structured documentation. JSON is like a quick text message, simple, clear, and widely used in modern APIs. YAML is like a recipe card, human-friendly, easy to read, but still precise for automation. Choosing the right format ensures efficiency, readability, and compatibility between systems. From configuration files to API payloads, these formats define how software components talk. Mastering their differences ensures smooth integration in any modern software project.